Bishop Johnson twino mujono kurabura amashomero obutejombera mu kopera beji nobwabire nataha emikono abaronde nshanjo nabana bishomero rya Pearl Junior School erokushangwa muri Shakabushenyi Municipality kandi ababigwireho na horo rugogoma aha mukoro gwishomereri ribire neresima ruhanga ahabwe byako bahereza.
Cheating for our children in school is not only evil and wrong, it is dangerous for our community and the world and the country and our lives.
Twino mujona garukire yarabara abakozi abarukwija batekera amajo barukushaba emirimo bakiheza kugitunga ebyo kukora babirugaho.
If you are the cook or caterer, our secretary office to do, what it does, whatever you want, ask yourself, what was this kid, what was this school going to miss if I never came? The answer to that question is your contribution.
Because we believe, I'm a Catholic, but I was born a Catholic. Maybe if I had a chance, I would change, I would be somebody else. So,
we respect all religious bodies, all religion. Those of the Catholics are respected and taken to their church every Sunday. The same thing with the Anglican, the same thing with the Adventists. And we do the same to our Muslim brothers and sisters. We take them on Friday to the mosque. So it is built on that foundation.
Nkomuringo gumwe ogwo kugaruza mukama ruhanga abebembezi bishomero okusima kwabo bakutire ahakombe kirwaro ryobureberezo bwa Western Kore Diocese erya Katongo ngwa habwo kubo kusinga ihanga ryona buri mwaka ticyabo ryomwe.
Keep our teachers here for long. Our teachers are well motivated. They are paid well and in time. And also, one thing which is very important, we try our level best to see that our syllabus is covered in P7 by July.
I don't think there is something very special that we do in Bar which others don't do. But God has been on our side and everything.
Bwanyuma Bishop Hasirira beji n'abazire babo ishomero rya Pearl Junior School Bushenyi nerumwa hamashomeri 10 agarukusingayo okukora ryo mbigezo ibye cyamushanju kandi nabacegekera okutina ruhanga gasha kwa Mike Twachire.